It's a little dark here in my corner, but I was getting ready to start a new set of coasters and thought I should film it. So far what I've done is I just traced the tile itself onto some white paper and cut out a bunch of squares that are the right size. And then I went and found the pictures I want to use. So I'm going to do a Paper Mario set. Eventually I want to do the like companions, but I wanted just a set of 4, so I did Luigi as a 4th character. Sorry, Mom. And then I opened up the first one, which I'm gonna do Mario first, got him to the right size, and taped my little piece of paper. So that's what the shadow is. Let's see if I make that small. Yeah, you can kind of tell that's the paper stuck there. Come back. So now I'm gonna trace that, and we're gonna, so it's a really, I can't even, like, I'm literally tracing over everything on my desk to do it. I used to use my gaming laptop, but it died, and this laptop is a touchscreen, so when I try and trace, it just changes the screen. So I'm using it to watch videos in the background and trying to trace on my desktop. It's not gonna be fun. I'm not looking forward to seeing the mess that I've made behind the monitor, but I have already given up. You can maybe see that tiny little bit I've done. I've given up and moved my monitor to the front of my desk. It doesn't look too bad. Nothing went crashing yet. Got Mario essentially done. I gave up on filling in the lines for now. But that process was terrible, so I decided to get a little creative, and I printed them on the 4th page, and then I'm using this light board, and they look like they'll be pretty good. I'm just going to do Bowser's head, and then I'm going to keep the same Mario. He's pretty close. The one on the paper is a little bit bigger, but this Mario feels closer to this Luigi in size. If you can kind of see, they're closer. So I think this one will be the one I actually use, and then I'll trace these 3. Peach, her dress will be cut off a little bit, but I think that's okay. So I'm gonna do this instead of making life miserable with my desktop. This will also make it a lot easier to take breaks because my wrist doesn't actually like using pencils. But stopping when it's taking up my entire computer screen doesn't work so well. Now I can just put it down. I don't know how I'm feeling about Bowser being just his head. So I'm trying to fill in the dark lines to see if I like him better. Or we might be redoing him. I don't know if it makes sense with the other ones having their bodies for him to just be a head. I don't know. I don't know what I filmed last of this, but I'm working on tracing Peach now. I have her traced already. Oh, I just turned the power off here. Hold on. So, she's already traced. I'm just finishing up the black lines. And then I have Luigi left to do. I guess I should have left that on still. I tried doing this out at the lake, but the light board is not bright enough to counteract the sun. So I have to finish this part here at home, and then I can continue the project out at the lake. Peach is all done. I don't look forward to finding all my clips of this, but we're finally done with Luigi. That means the whole crew is traced. We've got everyone traced out. I think I'm okay with Bowser being different. I wasn't sure how I'd feel, but seeing them all together, I think it's okay. Now, because I'm out of printer ink, I can't make my main copies of these. So I think I'm just gonna end this video now instead of waiting to see when I get to finish it and move on to the next step. So this is how I make a new set of designs. Hope you enjoyed.